Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Yorkshire pudding at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: plain flour, eggs, milk, and a little salt. The secret to success truly lies in the heat. You'll need your fat, like beef dripping or vegetable oil, to be smoking hot in the oven before the batter even touches the tin. This initial high heat is crucial for that perfect rise and crispy texture we all love. Now let's make the batter. Start by whisking 100 grams of plain flour with a pinch of salt in a bowl. In a separate jug, beat 2 large eggs with 100 milliliters of milk. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry, whisking continuously until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. Don't overmix. Once combined, cover the bowl and let the batter rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. 1 hour is even better. For baking, preheat your oven to a very hot 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a Yorkshire pudding tin with about 1 tablespoon of beef dripping or oil in each hole into the hot oven. Let it heat until the fat is smoking. Carefully and quickly pour your rested batter into the hot fat, filling each hole about 1/3 full. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown and well risen. Your beautiful Yorkshire puddings are now ready. Serve them straight from the oven to enjoy their crispiness and fluffy interior. They are the perfect accompaniment to a traditional Sunday roast, especially with succulent beef and rich gravy. Remember, for the best rise and a truly crispy finish, resist the urge to open the oven door during the first 15 minutes of baking. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.